Yeah, this spoon. Okay. Proceed. Lots of stone money right here. Hundreds of stone money. This is yup. They're selling that one?
No.
Just display, huh?
What?
So stone money anywhere. Here in yup. It's part of their culture. Woo! Son, what can you say with our road here? Highway.
Road is very good.
Huh?
Very good. Compared to Chuuk?
Honest answer. So which one is like for example, I'll give number 1 to 10. What's the score of yup?
7.
7. How about Pohnpei?
6.
Kusroy?
Probably the same as Yup.
How about Chuuk?
1.5.
Umusara. Yeah. Honest answer, huh?
Yes, that's honest answer.
So that's our challenge. Woo! Now let's proceed to our next lesson. Our next lesson is building. I think buildings, right? Building. Yeah, improve building, and I would say quality building. So which one? 10 out 10. Still 1 to 10. Pohnpei.
1 9.
9. Kusroy.
8.
8. How about Yap?
Yup, I would give Yup 7.
Alright, how about Chuuk?
Chuuk is actually up there too.
Huh?
Chuuk is actually up there too. Same. Probably 8 also.
8. So which one is the highest?
1.
Pohnpei? For building, huh?
Yes.
Improve and
High numbers for building.
so Pohnpei.
Buildings are, I would say they're getting better.
Okay.
Still need improvement.
The Pohnpei?
The Pohnpei is pretty much okay right now.
Oh, for buildings, huh? Alright, so at least we passed now. Congrats, Chuuk. Yahoo! Oh, stores.
Stores.
Stores, okay. Pohnpei, 1 to 10.
Pohnpei 10.
Kusroy.
Try 7.
Yap.
Yup 6.
Chuuk.
9.
Yahoo! Okay, so that means we focus on economy, huh?
Yes.
Alright. So, what's thank you in Yap? Kamagar. Pohnpei. Kalangan. Kusroy.
I forgot to
Wow, you forgot.
yes.
Hey, my friend here, Chukis, he forgot what's Kusroy and thank you.
Thank you for Yup, I think.
No, Kusroy,
I forgot, but
you forgot. Kulo! See, that's why 6. Alright.
Kamakan for Yup is hello.
That's an old ship. Kulo!
Wanna go to the park tonight?
Huh?
Wanna go to that park tonight?
No, it's okay. Now we're sending back our principal to his mansion. And our driver here, Sir Wilson, so tired now. I don't think so if he could make it today, joining the meeting.
Very good, very good.
This is Yap. What happened?
You're supposed to turn this
That's
way.
dead.
Just go back. Go, can we do it? Share a little bit.
You're supposed to turn this way. But it's okay, we see the bridge.
Wilson and principal right there. I'll just take video, just very quick. This is an old bridge right here. Maybe abandoned bridge. Yep. Alright, so that's it. At least you can see what is Yap. So we're heading to our, what's this hotel?
Blue Lagoon.
Blue Lagoon Hotel. Alright, here we go. It's a family corporation hotel, car rental, restaurant, store, bakery. So right here you can see the hotel and of course restaurant. The lobby. So right here our principal, vice and Well, vice is now there. Ako, wow. Ako ang picturean day. Yeah, ready? Paano? Ready, 1, 2. Uy.
Like you're sworn into something.
What's that? Isu cabur.
Yun ang selfie. Panatin ka.
Pwede po.
Ako picture, Dani. Para klaro.
Video harap ko.
Sige, sige.
Woohoo! Our students from Chuuk, and we're here with Principal, Vice, Sir Wilson, Daishina, and of course myself with the students.
What's yourself? What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
Paichukis.
Patrick.
Paichukis.
Hi, chukis. Yay.
Okay, ya punya puasa. Kami para driver berada.
Iwa.
Dah puasa.
Paichu. Woo.